Hey guys, AndersCubes here, and today I'll be showing you my setup for the X-Men Tornado V3 Pioneer, because it's just so fast. Alright, let's get into it. Alright, for this cube, I use Compound X, because it gives the cube a more controllable feel, because it's just way too fast. And I also put the magnet strength to middle, because I feel like with the X-Men Tornado V3, it's just like middle is good, but like if it's hard, like too hard, it's like it just doesn't turn well, and too easy, just like you cannot like stop it from turning. Alright, and on the inside, I have tension to 5 and compression to 2. This just gives it like a really nice, smooth feel, and I feel like this would be really good in competition. Alright, so now that we're done with this, I'm going to do an average of 5 solves so you guys can check it out. Alright, so now besides, it's just like when I do these algorithms, they're just so good. Okay, sorry. Anyway, so now we're going to start the solves. Alright, so as we're starting, I noticed that it doesn't feel like the corner cutting is not as great, but it's as good as like again 11 Pro, which is one of the best. And because I feel like Chi went like so far with the corner cutting, it's like if you make it worse, it's like the same. And so that's a 17.63. Alright, on to the next one. So I got this cube for Christmas, and I loved it. I thought it was fast because like I kept getting corner cutting, and you guys might have had that too, because I know like when I saw that it was so fast, I needed to get lube so I could slow it down. And I think it's good because I use Compound X because it just made it like heavier, which is my opinion is better, and it made it better. So that's a 16.96. That's a good one. Now, if you guys haven't seen my sub 20 before 2023 series, which spoiler alert, I made it, on the competition, I used this cube, except I didn't use the setup. So like I was literally shaking because I thought I would corner twist or do something, but I actually got my PR, which I was super happy about. But I feel like I'll be more confident next time I go in, and it'll just make me better at it. And that's a nice 19.31. Let's go. Now again, I recommend this setup to anyone. I just like figured it out because I just had a bunch of stuff and I just researched on the cubicle, and I was like, oh, okay, well, this lubricant makes it better, so why not just use it? And look what it's done. So yeah, and I only use 2 drops. 2 drops is enough, and that's basically it. Also, that's a really nice execution right there. Ooh, nice. 20.57. Nice. Alright, and as we get into our last solve, I just want to ask, how are you guys doing? Like, I have been starting this channel, and I think it's good. I've been doing shorts. Do you guys prefer shorts? Or do you like long form videos? I am trying to know and understand, because I know that shorts do really well, but I also know that, I mean, to be honest, you get more out of long form, right? Like something like this. But anyways, that's a 24.55, and the average is 19.17, so that's pretty good. That's sub 20 average, pretty low sub 20. If you guys enjoyed it, see you in the next one.